Hey beauties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm coming to you because it is my 2 years anniversary of my business. This is the day that I went down and registered my business, and I've been in business ever since. So it's 2 years today. I wanted to come and tell you a little bit about my business, give you a little bit about what I'm working on, and to tell you a little bit about my bestsellers. And also, girls, I'm going to tell you about this giveaway, what I'm giving away, how I am. I'm going to show you what it looks like and tell you all the details and what you got to do. So it's going to be like, it's not just like 1 or 2 winners. It's going to be a lot of you guys. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Yeah. So if you want to know about my business, how I'm growing it, and then get in this giveaway, keep on watching.
She is my rock.
So let's talk about a little bit of my products. So my bestseller, my number one, is my black soap. This is my black deep cleaning facial soap. This is my favorite. This is what I use. I use this. I use my all day rose water for my toner. And then I use my moisturizer, which is the lightening cream. This is what I use, the deep hydrating lightening cream at night, and in the morning, my deep hydration facial cream for the morning time. So it moisturizes your skin. It makes it feel like you know how you eat into a peppermint patty? That's how your face feels after you use that day cream. The night cream is more of a settle, and it keeps your skin really clean. You see how bright and it's evening out, even on my neck, and girl, yes. So it's really been working for me. That's the set I use. Most of my customers use that. As you know, I'm out of black soap. This is what I'm using. This is like the last one, and this is actually, somebody just bought this. So I wanted to do this video. I have to make more. I do get the question, do I wholesale my soaps? That will be coming up. I've noticed that I run out of it a lot. So I have to make a lot of the base. And as you know, I make my own soap base. Yeah, it might be coming soon. So I will be wholesaling soaps. I won't be wholesaling bath bombs. Those go too fast. If you want a special order though, like you need an order of 20 for a one-time order, I'll do that specifically for that person. You can DM me or email me or whatever. You have my information all in the description. But I will be doing lip glosses and my soaps. Soaps, lip glosses, black soaps, the oatmeal, and I can do the turmeric. And as you know, these are the best sellers. I run out of these so fast. I just had to do restocks on those. Oatmeal, springtime, it's gone, like 0 out. And my creams. So my moisturizing cream, this is the most luxurious cream, you guys. It melts in your skin. Last one, like they go so fast. So, and my oils go fast. This is my lavender oil. I just made a new batch of these. This is so good for your skin, and it has the red, look at that. It has the lavender buds in there. So you know it's fresh. Yeah. And then I have rose ones as well. You see all the roses at the bottom. So this is my rose oil as well. These are like the best. The oils, the creams, all of those soaps. This is my lightening serum. The serums are good too for your face. So how you use it, you do the wash you soap. So black soap, that's first. Then you do your rose water spray. Then you use some serum. And then at night, you do your moisturizer. Now, if you do serum and then this at night, you don't need moisturizing day. Just wash your face and spray your toner. You may use a little bit, but if you're wearing makeup or however, do it that way. My cucumber melon loafer soap bars. These work. This is like exfoliation. Mother's Day, yeah, these are gone. Like I use these. I gave one to my mom, and she like need 5 more, and her friends and everybody. So that's for exfoliation, girl. The bottom of those feet, you know how you get some pedicures? Bottom of them feet, girl. Yeah, it's going to take care of all of that. Let's talk about lip gloss. Speaking of lip gloss, let your girl just re-up here. This is Bossy. And Bossy looks good on light, dark, all color skins of the tone of this. Yes, so that's Bossy. It's pretty, right? Yeah. Which I've been using to the core. Look at that. Yeah. And then this is Sensual. I like this. This is my tint of silver. And it's been bomb. Like, yeah, that's mine. And then I have my sparkle. This is my sparkle. You see it has sparkles in it. Just give you that little bit of touch of sparkle. So yes. And those are mine. So I sampled those. And then I have a whole, like they're almost gone though. I had 2 containers of these. And I'm down to just one. I just re-up. So this is Isis with the wrist. Like, yes. It's like a peppermint patty in it. Like I told you, here's Sensual. And these are the full ones. I do have squeeze tubes as well. This is in cherry. These are all on the website, you guys. So go on the website and shop as well. The link will be below. And I will give you guys a coupon code as well because I love you guys. These are sparkles. Sparkle Kisses. Yeah, this is my clear gloss that it goes like crazy. I think I have like the 2 left. Bossy, I have a few Bossies left. 1 in the squeeze, 2 in the squeeze tubes. And I think 3 wand tubes. Yes. And I do wholesale my these, and I have black tubes, regular black tubes, and then the clear ones, but I'll get different colors and as we go along if I get a lot of orders of those. So yeah. Look at this. Look, girl, this hair though, right? Love it. Your girl did it. It's cute. Oh, yeah, that's a little bit of my products. So everybody's favorite. So I told you about that. And let's get into what I've planned for my giveaway. So yes, let's get into it. So I went looking to find what I can do to just say thank you for supporting me, watching my videos, buying my products, following me on social media. You guys are amazing. I love you guys the most. Buying all my stuff, listen to me jabber and talk about business and things. So my thing is, I wanted to say thank you. So what I did was put together sample packs of some of my products. You know, after I make a product, I love giving samples. The reason I decided to do that is because I go to Sephora. And I love going to Sephora because you can get most of the samples. That's one of the reasons. I'm going to be real with you. I go and like to shop there because you can sample other stuff. And as you sample, like the girl, she noticed, oh, once she samples, she comes back and buy it. So she started to give me more. You can get up to 3 to 4 samples. Girl, and she was like, oh, you want to try this? Girl, this is good. Try this. Because she knows that, okay, this girl is going to sample it and buy more. That's the same thing for your customers. So when you give them samples, and so someone, like one of my customers, she's always buying my soaps. She buys the black soap. She buys the turmeric soap. She orders like 4 at a time of each. Okay. Every 3 months, girl, I need my restock. What I did was I gave her a sample of a lip gloss. And she's been buying soap and lip gloss and creams. Like I give them samples because you want to sell more to your customers that's going to keep returning. Like, start giving out samples. They'll return if the product's good. And I stand by my stuff. So this is why I'm doing this. So what I'm doing is I'm putting together sample packs. Look at this. So what I'm doing is for the first two that goes onto the website, I'm going to link it below. It's going to be totally free. It's going to say you're going to type in or search for the sample beauty packs. I'm going to put it for totally free. The first 2 gets full-size glosses. You get a full-size gloss, you get a small turmeric soap, and then you're going to get a lotion bar. So I had to hit you all 3. I had to give you the soap to wash your face with, and I had to give you the lotion bar to moisturize your skin, give you the lip gloss to gloss up and soften those lips. So I'm giving a 3 punch. So each bag will have a treat of 3. So you're going to get a variety of products in these. So for the first person, you will get this set. But only thing you're paying for is your shipping. I'm going to package it cute for you and put it in the bag, send it in the mail, but your shipping, you're going to pay for that one, which is fair. And the second person that goes on and logs on and goes to the sample packs on the website, you will get a bath bomb, a squeeze tube, and I gave you a Rose Kids soap. So you're getting the soap, you're washing up, you're soaking in the tub, and your lips are smooth and soft. So these are my sample packs. My sample packs will be sold online after that, but for now, I'm going to give, these are just for me giving away. And I have a whole, yeah. So I'm going to be making sample packs in here. I have a few bath bombs in here. I have some other soaps in here. I have some oatmeal soap in here. I have some sample lip glosses in here. So it's going to be good. And yay. And I'm going to include in each one, you guys, because you guys are amazing. And I'm going to give you a coupon code off your next order. So whenever you order, you put in your coupon code and boom. But you got to use it by the date it ends, and it's like June. So you have plenty of time to use that. So that's what I'm doing for you guys. So yes. So right now, as soon as you send this, after this video ends, you need to go over to the website, put the sample pack in your cart, purchase it. It's totally free. You're just paying for your shipping. So wherever you live, you just pay for the shipping, but the products are free. I might throw some full-size products up in there. You never know what you might get. So yes, it's my anniversary, you guys. Thank you so much for shopping with me. Thank you so much for supporting me, watching my videos, following me on Instagram. Make sure you're following me because you never know when I'm going to do this again. When I come out with new products, I might just go on and say, hey, I'm giving it right now. So yeah, go put it in your cart. They're all free. Once the amount of this is all gone, then you can purchase them for $5. And then, yeah. And I might throw in some free, you know, full-size products on there. So yeah, so just for now, your sample packs will be free up until all of this is gone. Yeah, this is why I make samples. I made all of these as I was doing because I know I had this idea and pack, and I wanted to just thank you guys for all of your support. So go right now as we ending, and you never know what you're going to get out of your sample pack. So these are the sample. The first two going to get full sizes. I might throw some full sizes throughout. You never know. But you're going to pay for just the shipping. And yeah. Yeah. So, yes, thanks for celebrating my 2-year anniversary with me. Most people always ask me, is my business profiting? Yes, I'm profiting. I love it, love it, love it. I'm so glad because I didn't know when I was getting into this what to expect. So that's the big thing about business. But I'm happy, you guys. I love making products. I love sitting up at night, doing it, having ideas, coming up with my own. I'm the boss. I can make the rules. So as I said, right now, first two people, this is what you're getting. Yeah, right now. This is my anniversary. I'm celebrating right now. I'm so happy, you guys. And don't feel free to shop around and buy some other stuff. I will be rebranding, like I said. This is just a little update. I'm going to come back. I'm going to rebrand. I'm like my labels. I want to redo them. I'm ordering this Cricut machine that I had before. But, you know, with business and stuff, my first business I started, and I didn't, you know, go through. I was making shirts and T-shirts and things, but I went to college and wanted to study business and kind of get my foot where I wanted it to be, and then come back and hit it ground running. So now that I'm happy about it, foot is down, I'm happy, and go get them. Sample packs, website below. Put it in your cart. It's free. Just pay for your shipping and it's all yours. And I'm going to give away I'm going to put it to all of these. I'm going to set it on the website. After this, you can purchase it for $5. You never know what you might get. I might throw some full size products up in there just because. I'm feeling generous today. Yeah. So yes, I want to thank you guys for watching. Happy 2nd anniversary to me, my business. Yay. And I want to thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Go get these sample packs, you guys. I put them together just for you. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.